How to add payment methods on Bolt. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be guiding you to the process how we can add different payment methods on Bolt. So let's head over and open up the application first on our screen and log in into your account first. And then after you are logged in, you should be finding this particular interface where you can select a destination. First of all, just go ahead and type in your destination, tap on where to, and set up your pickup location and your destination. After that, once you set up your location, tap on confirm pickup. And once you confirm pickup, you will be finding an option to choose up a payment method. So look out for the option called add card, tap on it. And once you tap on it, here you will be finding options. So what you can do is you can provide in your details. So if you're adding up a card, you can just go ahead and add up a card and just go ahead and provide up the card details such as the card number and the expiry date and the uh, secure code. Just go ahead and provide. After that, even after you have added card, you can even use our PayPal integration to connect your PayPal account to use in selected checkouts. And from the payment step, select PayPal rule and select the PayPal button to open up a secure login tab on your screen. And that's it. So these are some of the payment method you can use up in a Bolt. So therefore, I hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll be seeing you in another video.